Did you know the average person in the US is spending $5 a day to drink bottled water? Now, if you add it up over a month, it's almost $150 a month. Over a year, you're looking at almost $2,000 to drink bottled water. And it's really no more than your filtered tap water. And if you're drinking alkaline water, it's no more than your filtered tap water with baking soda. So I want to show you a product that I absolutely love. It's one of our most popular bottles here. This is our Hydro Sports bottle, our Hydro Shot. So what this does is you put tap water in it, and it transforms your filtered tap water into hydrogen-rich water. Now, I said filtered tap water on purpose because in our tap water, there is thousands of contaminants, such as arsenic, pharmaceuticals, heavy metals, there's herbicides, pesticides. I mean, I can go on and on and on. But if you were to take unfiltered tap water and put it through this process, it's gonna make any contaminant in there more available for your cells. So we offer a whole house water system that you can have that protects your family, everywhere in your home. We also have an under countersink model that would filter just one area for you. That's available as well. So you take that filtered water, put it in here, and we're creating hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is the most powerful antioxidant. So what is an antioxidant? An antioxidant fights free radicals and toxins. You're finding it in fruits and vegetables, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. It boosts your immune system. So the more antioxidants, those are like the fighters. Those guys are gonna fight the toxins and free radicals. Where those toxins and free radicals are found from your cell phones, microwaves, TVs, radios, computers, our air, our food, they're everywhere. So they come into our body, and if we don't have enough antioxidant reserves in our system, our body's gonna break down. And that process is called oxidation, which creates inflammation. And that is linked to every single disease process. So the more antioxidants we have coming in, the more protected our body is from our environment. And it's simple. You can take an apple, you can cut it open, let it sit out. You're gonna notice it gets brown. That's the oxidation process, and that's what happens in our body. So if you take hydrogen water and spray the apple doesn't get brown for around 4 hours because it's protecting it from that process. So this is the simple thing you can do every day to make sure your body has adequate amounts of hydrogen. So what I wanna do here is I'm gonna test these different liquids for its antioxidant rate. So here's a meter. This meter shows us the oxidation or antioxidants. So a positive number means it has oxidation. The higher it goes positive, the faster you get sick, the faster you age. So with this bottled water here, it's 218 positive. Definitely not an antioxidant. Soda pop is gonna be around 400. Tap water is around 400. So the hydrogen shot here, it's about 5 minutes and you're gonna produce about 4.5 parts per million of hydrogen. So if you can see it there, our meter is showing a negative 740. You could not eat enough fruits and vegetables in a day to get the equivalent of one hydro shot. So as you put it in the body knows what to do with it, and hydrogen plays a role in over 200 different things in your body. And one of the main things I love is it feeds the good gut bacteria, and it helps secrete a hormone that goes right to your brain, makes you focused and alert and aware, and it protects your brain from aging. So I know you're absolutely gonna love it. It's very easy to maintain. You can clean it every couple of weeks with just a little vinegar. And it's just a fantastic thing that you can take traveling with you as well, hiking with you, and push the button and you make hydrogen on demand. So thank you so much for watching. I know you're gonna enjoy it. There are several colors that it comes in. Get back to the person who invited you to this video and make sure you have your hydro shot every single day.